PT Grand Prix of Thailand 2025, presented by PT. Today we are at Chang International Circuit, Buriram.
And now is 1:15 and the Model 3 qualifying 2 is starting. If you have the grandstand ticket, please proceed to the big blue stand in front of us. That is where the grandstand tickets are.
And if you have another tickets like the side stand tickets, you can go to the shuttle bus stop. You can go through the PT pavilion like maybe 100 meters. And if you want to go to the side stand A, B, and C, please choose the shuttle bus number 3, that is the pink line. And if you want to go to the side stand D, please choose the shuttle bus number 1, that is the blue line.